Moreality, your channel for React Native content, and today we are going to be going over the Touchable Without Feedback component. So let's get right into it. Let's head over to our components folder, click New File, do Touchable Without Feedback, and then we're going to go ahead and set up our component. Little long name, but it's alright. Alright, and then we'll do RFNE. We'll go ahead, go back to app.js, and do our touchable without feedback component. And it's self-closing. Looks like I made it with a capital I. So let me fix that real quick. Rename. Change this to an I. Go back over here. Okay. Whoops. Okay, cool. Now we have our component to show up. Now let's go back to here and start making our component. So change this to I. Okay. So we're gonna make a little state function right above here. It's gonna be const count set count is equal to useState, and import that from React and give it an initial value of 0. Okay, and then now we're going to make a function for the onPress method. onPress, and then that's going to be, it's going to set count to count plus 1. Alright. And this is supposed to be an arrow. Okay. Now after this, we're going to go over to our text, and we're going to actually just get rid of this. We're going to go ahead and put this as style equals styles dot, let's import our style sheet on the bottom, RNSS, and we're gonna have styles dot container. Then we're gonna have another view inside of here, and this is going to be styles.count container. Style equals styles.count container. And then after we'll style our sheet, make it come to life. So we're gonna have a text here, and in this text it's gonna have count, and then it's gonna be the count that we set it to. Okay. The style sheet, make sure we gotta import it. Alright, as you can see, count is set to the initial state of 0. So that's working. And we're gonna have this as style equals styles dot count text. Okay. Alright, and then right after the closing view of the first one, we're going to have touchable without feedback. Now, touchable without feedback is a component that is being replaced with pressable. So this will be, you would only really use this if you need like a very basic version of pressable, like literally just pressing a button without feedback, and that would be about it. For in most cases you'd be using pressable. So go ahead and back to here, set on press to on press, and it's complaining because we have to have something inside of here. So we're gonna have a view, and in that view we're gonna have a text. Oh, this text. Oh, and like this. Okay, cool. So in this view, it's gonna have style equals styles dot button, and then this text is gonna have touch here. Okay, so now we have our whole component set up. What we're going to do next is go ahead and start styling it. So we have container. It's going to be a flexive one. A justify content of center, of padding horizontal of 10. Alright. And then after this, we're going to have a button, line item center. Okay. And then we're going to have a button color. Or not button color, background color. And this is going to be hashtag DDDDDD. Or instead of making it so boring, we'll just do F000. Make it red. Okay. And then we'll have a padding of 10. Okay. And we'll probably actually make this a little bit lighter. But yeah, that's fine. Alright. And then we're done with our button. We're going to go ahead and go to the count container. And we're going to have this as align items center. And then a padding of 10. And then for the last one, we're going to have count text as color. And that's going to be hashtag FF00FF. Just so people can see it better. Okay, so that is our whole component. If you go over here, you press it, and you can see the count going up. And there's no feedback, so no touchable, no opacity to where when you click it, it goes down in opacity, or it highlights. There's purely no animation from the button. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. If you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.